Welcome back to the Brothers Workshop. As always, I'm Sean, and this is the farmhouse renovation. Today we're in the master bedroom. We're going to show you how far this came. From the shiplap to the hardwood floors we redid. It's come a long way. Before we get into it, go ahead and subscribe to the channel and give the video a like. Since we got our hands on the farmhouse, it's come leaps and bounds. From the nasty, disgusting carpet to the tacky wallpaper, we've pretty much redone everything. And here's the master bedroom and how we did that. To take the wallpaper off, we used a steamer. And the first thing we did was made the wallpaper porous by using a scraper and a scratcher. This allowed holes to be put into the wallpaper so that when we steam the wall, water will get behind it and help it peel up. This is a simple but yet very tedious process. It's going to take you some time, but it's pretty much the easiest way to do it. Once we removed the wallpaper, we exposed an ugly yellow mustard color that the walls were painted previously. We freshened this up with several coats of white paint. Once we had all the walls painted white, we thought to ourselves, there's something's missing here. So we decided to break up the monotony of having all white walls with a little accent shiplap wall. We decided to take a stroll down to our local hardware store where we found a pile of damaged lumber. Now this lumber had been spray painted purple, but that's no problem. We just paint over it a few coats and that disappears nicely. We went through a big stack of it and found what we thought we'd need, and we decided to get it. Now you have to look closely because the damaged lumber could be damaged in many different ways, most of which were cracks, chips, and dents, but we found several with mold on them, and not just a little bit, so we had to steer away from those. Now it's important to note that this first trip was made before COVID happened. That's why there's no masks, and the second one you'll see later happened after COVID. It took us some time to finish this wall, and at first we didn't realize how much of the shiplap we were going to need, and to find the shiplap in the damaged lumber aisle is kind of rare, so we just waited till we found enough and then we finished the wall. By choosing to get some of the damaged lumber, we had to work a little harder and wait a little longer to get the supplies we needed, but in the end we saved about 75% of what it would originally cost to do a wall like this. Now in this video we're not going to show you how we did the floors. We've already did a video on that, and that'll be linked at the end of this one. As you can see, the master bedroom has literally come leaps and bounds from where it began. With the refinished floors, the new trim, and the shiplap wall, this old farmhouse is starting to feel like a farmhouse again. believe it or not, we're not even close to being done with this stuff yet. But if you like this kind of stuff, we're going to be bringing more of it to you soon. So go ahead and subscribe to the channel, like the video, find us on Instagram and Facebook at The Brothers Workshop. On Instagram, you'll be able to keep up with us as we're going about our daily lives, the builds we're doing, and the adventures we're taking. As always, keep building.